In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Excel. Open Excel from the Start menu and make sure the workbook for your CRM is already open on screen. Once the workbook is visible, click any cell inside your contact data. You can click a cell like A1 or any other cell that sits within the list. The goal here is to place your cursor directly inside the data range before turning it into a proper Excel table. Now press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. This opens the Create Table dialog. In that dialog, look at the range box and make sure Excel has selected all of your contact data. Also confirm that the box for My Table has headers is checked because your first row contains the field names for the CRM. When both of those are correct, click OK. Right away, the list changes into a formatted table. You should now see banded rows and a filter arrow on each column header. That tells you the CRM table is active and ready to use. Next, move to the Stage column so you can color code the pipeline. Click the F column header at the top of the sheet. This selects the entire Stage column. Go up to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Styles group, click Conditional Formatting. From the menu, hover over Highlight Cells Rules, then choose Text that contains. A dialog box appears with a field on the left and a formatting menu on the right. In the left box, type 1. In the drop-down on the right, choose Green Fill with dark green text. Then click OK. Excel immediately applies that rule, so any stage cell containing 1 turns green. Now repeat the same path for the next stage. Keep column F selected, go to Home, then Conditional Formatting, then Highlight Cells Rules, then Text that contains. In the text box, type Lost. Open the Format drop-down and choose Light Red Fill with dark red text. Click OK. Repeat it again for negotiation. Open Conditional Formatting, go to Highlight Cells Rules, then Text that contains. Type Negotiation in the left box. In the Format drop-down, choose Yellow Fill with dark yellow text, then click OK. For Proposal, follow the same path one more time. Open Text that contains, and type Proposal. This time, in the drop-down on the right, choose Custom Format. In the Format Cells window, go to the Fill tab, pick a light orange fill, and click OK. Then click OK again to apply the rule. Now create the rule for Qualified. Open Conditional Formatting again, go to Highlight Cells Rules, then Text that contains. Type Qualified in the text field. Choose Custom Format, go to the Fill tab, select a light blue fill, click OK, and then click OK again. Do the same for Lead. Open Text that contains, type Lead. Choose Custom Format, open the Fill tab, pick a light gray fill, click OK, and click OK again. At this point, each stage in the Stage column should have its own color, and the table starts to look more like a pipeline. Now sort the table so the pipeline appears in stage order. Click the filter arrow on the stage header in cell F1. In the menu, click Sort by Color, then choose Custom Sort. This opens the Sort dialog. In the Sort dialog, set Sort by stage. Set Sort onto cell values. Then, under Order, choose Custom List. The Custom Lists dialog opens next. Click New List. Now type the stages one at a time in pipeline order. Type Lead, then press Enter. Type Qualified, then press Enter. Type Proposal, then press Enter. Type Negotiation, then press Enter. Type 1, then press Enter. Type Lost, then press Enter. After the full list is entered, click Add, then click OK to close the Custom Lists window. Click OK again in the Sort dialog. The contacts are now grouped by stage from Led through Lost, and the color formatting stays in place so the pipeline is easy to read. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You now have a single sheet CRM in Excel with contacts organized into 6 color-coded pipeline stages. The stage column is visually structured, and the custom sort keeps the pipeline order stable inside the table.